Hi guys, as we have discussed the concepts of locus and change of axis, now we are moving forward to discuss the very important topic for JEE mains and all CETs of state boards is straight line. As we do not have much time to discuss the concepts and all the formulae and shortcuts in this chapter, we directly moving on to the problems, and then and there itself we discuss the shortcuts and the most important formulae, right? So do concentrate more and follow, right? We proceed with that. The slope of the straight line through A3, 2 is 3 by 4. Then the coordinates of the 2 points on the line that are 5 units away from A are. Consider A3, 2 as x1, y1. The slope is tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. So this is 3, 4, hypotenuse is 5. Cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. The shortcut is x1 plus or minus r cos theta and y1 plus or minus r sin theta. So the units 5 units, so r is equal to 5. So x1 3 plus or minus 5 into 4 by 5, 2 plus or minus 5, 3 by 5. So you have 3 plus or minus 4, 2 plus or minus 3. 3 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 3, 5. 3 minus 4 minus 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1. So 7, 5 minus 1 is second choice. The second question is the line segment joining the points 1, 2 and K1. 1, 2 and K1 is divided by the line 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 in the ratio 4:9. Then what is the value of K? The formula is minus L11 by L22, that is minus of, substituting the first point in the given line. Substitute the point in the given line. 3 ones are 3, 4 twos are 8, minus 7 by, substitute the second point in the given line. 3k plus 4 minus 7 is equal to 4 by 9 because the ratio is 4 by 9 according to the question. So 11 minus 7, that is 4, minus 4 by 3k minus 3 is equal to 4 by 9. 4 cancel. 3k minus 3 is equal to minus 9. 3k is equal to minus 6. K is equal to minus 2. So your answer is second choice. The incenter of the triangle formed by the lines x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to pi, x cos beta plus y sin beta is equal to pi, x cos gamma plus y sin gamma is equal to pi is h comma k. Then h plus k is equal to. What is the definition of incenter? The internal bisectors of angles of a triangle are concurrent and the point of concurrence is called incenter line. Incenter is at equal distance from all the sides, that is called in radius small r. So incenter should be at equal distance from all the three lines. If you take these lines, the perpendicular distance from 0, 0 to first line is modulus c by root a square plus b square, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. This is 1 pi. Similarly, distance from 0, 0 to second line is also pi. The distance from 0, 0 to the third line is also pi. All the distances are same in radius. So, in center is 0, 0. So, h comma k is 0, 0. H plus k is also 0, that is first choice. If the algebraic sum of the perpendicular distances from the points 2, comma 0, 0, comma 2 and 4, comma 4 to a variable line is 0, then the line passes through the point. If you take a variable line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. General 3 points x1 by 1, x2 by 2, x3 by 2. If we take the perpendicular distances, algebraic perpendicular distances sum is 0, then the line passes through centroid 1. I have stated now. ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. Second, ax2 plus by2 plus c by root a square plus b square. ax3 plus by3 plus c by root a square plus b square. This is perpendicular distances from the 3 points to the variable line. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The sum is 0. Send it to right hand. A into x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus b into y1 plus y2 plus y3. See here. C plus C plus C, 3C, C, divide by 3. So, the line ax plus by plus c passes through centroid. So, the required point is centroid. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, right? y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So 6 by 3 is 2, 6 by 3 is 2. So your answer is 4. One vertex of a square ABCD is A minus 1, 1 vertex. And the equation of diagonal BD is 3x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Then the vertex is in parallelogram, rectangle, square and rhombus, diagonals bisect each other, and also in rhombus square, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So C is the image of A with respect to the line. C is image of A with respect to BD. What is image formula? x1 minus 2a into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Similarly, y1 minus 2b into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is x1 by 1. This is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Right? Because the diagonals are perpendicular to each other and diagonals bisect each other. So the distance from A to O is equal to distance from O to C, and also they are perpendicular. Hence, C is the image of A with respect to the diagonal B. Now we substitute minus 1 minus 2A ax1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 8y 3 square plus 1 square y1 1 minus 2b, that is 2 into minus 3 plus 1 minus 8y 3 square plus 1 square. Now minus 1 minus, this is minus 11 plus 1 minus 10, that is 60 by 10, 1 minus 2 minus 11 plus 1 minus 10, that is 20 by 10. 10 6 10 2 minus 1 plus 6 and 1 plus 2. So you have 5 comma 3. 5 comma 3 is second choice. The number of integral points, both coordinates should be integers. Both integral point means x coordinate, y coordinate should be integers. Exactly in the interior of the triangle with vertices 0, 0 0, 0 is this. And 0, comma 21 is this. And 21, comma 0 is this. Number of integral points which are interior to the triangle. Okay. If you take any point on the line, it is not interior. The point lies on the sides. So, this is O, this is A, this is B. Okay. If you take this line, this is x by 21 plus y by 21 is equal to 1. Intercept form. X plus y is equal to 21. Okay. If you take 1 here, for instance 1, that is 1 comma 0. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 190. If you take here, this will be 1 comma 20. If you take put x is equal to 1, y will be 20. So 1 comma 20, the point lies on the line. So we have to take only from 1, 1 to 190. 1, 1 to 190. So how many coordinates will come under 1? We have 19 coordinates. If you take 2, this is 2. 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and so on. If you take here, if you put here 2, you will have 19. 2 comma 19. So you have to take up to only 2 comma 18. So you will have 18 coordinates. Similarly for 3, you will have 17 coordinates like this. If you take here, this is 20. If you take here, 21 comes here, 21. No, not possible. If you take 19, 19, 1 up to 19 you will take. This will be 19 comma 2 will lies on the line. So you have only one coordinate for 19. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on 19. There is sigma n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n is n into n plus 1 by 2. So you have 19 into 19 plus 1 by 2. That is 20 by 2, 10. So you will have 190 coordinates you have. Is it right? So, on the line, x plus y is equal to 21. The points on the line, which will not come under this category. So, we have to take only interior points. If you start from 1, 1, we have to take 190. If you start from 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 18. If you take 19 lost, 19 comma 1 lies inside the triangle. So 19 coordinates, 18 coordinates, 17 coordinates up to the last one will have 1. If you reverse it, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 19, this is 190.